mute this real quick because I want to get your thoughts. How do you think my suite looks?
Sweet
You can pull your
looks-
mask down because it's just us.
Sweet looks good.
What you like about it?
I like how you can change the color of the mirror, and also I like how your salon is not a big salon where people are just in your privacy. And those pictures are gorgeous.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Livy said she liked how clean my salon was, my suite. All right, my love. So I'm getting ready to shampoo her. This is before she got her braids in for about 3 days. So last night she kind of slept a little wild, which is why we got a little funky area in the back. But you guys already know I'm getting ready to just pre-detangle her slightly, stretch her hair out. It's getting so long, guys, like super long. So I need to pile some books because I don't even have a booster seat because I don't do kids anymore. You a little shorty. You a shorty little thing.
I mean, well, I can go up on my knees.
You don't have to get on your knees. I got you. So I'm just pre-detangling. Bam. Now we're gonna get her shampooed. So let me try to stack these books, see if that'll do the trick. Okay, so welcome back everyone. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. This video is going to be completely different because I didn't do my intro first. Reason being is because I decided to surprise my daughter Olivia with a visit from 2 of her cousins today, Grace and Maya, and she had no ideas. So I decided to just get her initial thoughts of my suite and then surprise her shortly after. Let me know if it gets too hot, okay, Mama? Okay.
Feels good.
Good?
Yeah.
Wait till the steam comes on. That's something you never had before. It's something new that I do for my clients.
Feels like I'm in Wonderland.
Feels like you're in Wonderland.
Yeah.
That's amazing. I'm cracking up.
Me too.
You are too funny. All right, so let's get you started. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. So Livy's hair is pretty clean, so I'm just gonna go in with a moisturizer shampoo first.
What is that?
Just gonna hydrate your hair, keep it nice and moist. This is a steamer, it's gonna add steam, so don't feel like you're getting like a facial. You feel good?
Yeah. Smells good too.
Mm-hmm. All right, I'll be right back. Livy, you hear that? You can come right on in. Y'all ladies can get comfy. There's chairs in the hallway. Charger. Somebody can sit here if they want. Somebody can sit in this chair if you want. Hi, Liz. How are you, honey? Surprise! Livy, you hear that? You can come right on in. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, I'm just going ahead and shampooing Olivia. I did speed this up just because I'm doing a double slay today. So I'm doing Olivia and my niece Grace. And we don't press Livy's hair out often. You guys already know that, which is why you rarely see her on my channel. And the couple times you have seen her, like, y'all really loved her. So I appreciate that. We both appreciate the love. But yeah, I'm going in and just putting a little bit of fanola oil on her hair. I'm going to detangle her. I am going to block out my other niece's face, just a FYI, just because she is a little bit young and I just didn't get consent from like every party involved with her. So I just want to be on the super safe side and just make sure that she's not out on the internet, you know, just to be super safe. But there's no other reason besides that, because I know somebody's going to ask. So I'm just going to go in and blow dry Olivia's hair. Her and Gracie took me probably an hour altogether. They have tiny little peanut heads, and Livy's hair has grown so much. We've cut it, it's grown back. We've cut it, it's grown back. Now this is where we finally are. She does have my hair color. It looks gorgeous on her, but I always color my hair darker just because it's just on my skin tone. I feel like it looks really ashy and washed out. But yeah, I'm just going to blow Olivia out. I'm going to trim her ends and press her out. Nothing too crazy. I just wanted to kind of show you guys the process and just look at her color. Before I forget, I'm going to be using my own brand of flat iron. So if you have not already, Make sure you check out my website, www.cassandraolivia.com. Use code YTCAS10, which stands for YouTube, guys, and you get an extra 10% off. So this right here, this back section I've done already with my iron. And look at this, like, just look at this. Stop sleeping on me. So she's all pressed out. I did trim her hair on camera. I have a better angle that I'm going to post on Instagram. But for YouTube purposes only, because her and my nieces were both getting up and stuff and going back and forth, it was kind of hard for me to get everything in the frame without trying to block out too much. So I do apologize for that. But Olivia's hair is super healthy all the time because I always trim her hair and keep it braided, protective styles. We rarely press it out. So when we do, it's like a nice little treat. And it's pretty even because we just keep it braided in like French braids, which is what you saw earlier. And what you guys have probably seen in a couple of my other videos doing her hair. We literally just do the same French braids, do them like every 3 to 4 days, or she'll wear it curly or in ponytails. Really simple. So I'm just trimming her ends. Olivia has not seen her hair out since the last time we did it here on YouTube, which was a minute ago. I don't remember when it was, but it was a while ago. So this is her hair. And now I'm getting ready to start my niece, Grace. So Grace is going to come in and just get her hair pressed out also. And Grace's birthday is on the 12th, the same day as my godson. Oh my God, a whole year's passed, my baby. So I'm just showing you guys her hair. Grace's hair is pretty straight and she has a couple waves in it. Nothing too crazy, so I'm just going to do the same exact process that I did for Olivia. Press her out using my irons and all that good stuff. If you guys want to know exactly what I'm using, I will link it down below as always. And I'm just going to finish out Grace. And then I'm going to have the girls just flex and do everything. But all I did was shampoo them, deep condition them. I used a steam for both because they're little divas. And I wanted to give them the full spa treatment because, you know, girls deserve to be treated awesomely as well. And then they're playing Roblox. So Livy's out of the frame. Maya's somewhere wandering around. I threw the YouTube code up here just in case anybody forgets. And I'm just pressing her out with my iron as well, using it on a lower setting because her hair is not as curly as Olivia's. So you just want to be mindful of that. And I'm just going to press her out, trim her ends, and you guys will see. Grace has a gorgeous hair color too. Like these girls in our family, man, their hair is bomb.com. So thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know what else to say at this point. I feel like I've talked through the entire video. And Grace is approving. She had to look on the floor, guys, to make sure I didn't take too much off. She is such a little diva. I thought it was so cute. So she just gave me a hug, told me she loves her hair. And we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Work it, niece. Work it, Liv. Go ahead, sis. Right, period.